First things first is putting the rear wheel on and getting an idea of how this is going to sit. And you can see how this with the 14 wheel is already making the frame look small. Let's measure this and see roughly. Make sure we take that into consideration, and the adjustment screw. And we're going to move this thing back as far as it will go without rubbing. I'm not happy with something. If I end up just cutting this and sectioning this, like how, it's really easy to do, just section it right, narrow, shorten it down. But then I will be having ground clearance. Then that brings me back to moving the pivoting point down here, get my ground clearance back. We'll see how the swing arm look in relation to the top half, and then we'll chop the top half. And then we're not even working on the front headset yet. I don't know where it's going. I don't know where it's going, man. But first things first is, let's just do one thing at a time. Now I got the back half welded on with the new control arm. Got the engine out, let's throw it in there. Now that she's in, I'm gonna sit back and see. How does that look? Alright, now so the next step. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. What do I cut next? I would love to do the seat and all that, but I think it's nice to kind of sometimes, sleep on it, and then maybe a new design will come to mind. What happened to my frame? What do you guys think with 1417? Let me know. The proportion's not what I want yet. I'm trying to scale the front end smaller. Back end, it's sitting height-wise is okay. I will end up chopping the whole back end off. Right now, I just have the back end holding it all together because this is all tack welded. I might even angle the shock. It all depends. All depends on the scale and how it looks once it's all put back together. Okay, end of the day, Brother Will came by and he gave me a great suggestion about the back. See what I did? I actually angled it up more. He said it was drooping, and that was part of the weird look. Now the scale is getting real close to the ideal position that I want this to be in. The front end's looking good. It's just starting to look much better. But that's how she's looking for today. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next time.